दे ऑलवेज कलेक्ट जानकारी जानकारी जानकारी, और जानकारी के बाद उनको चाहिए होता है ज्ञान भी चाहिए होता है। बट एक्चुअली जानकारी और ज्ञान के आगे भी एक चीज है, वो है समझ। मैं इसको ऐसे देखता हूं, इंफॉर्मेशन, knowledge and understanding. A lot of time you have information, a lot of time you have got knowledge, but quite often the understanding is not there. Understanding, I don't know how psychologists would like to understand, but the gut feeling. I remember one student who says, like, sir, to me, PT is a very, very easy thing. I asked, how? Why? You know what interesting word he said? He is an IS officer today. He said, sir, मुझे ना आंसर चमकता है. I see the answer shining. I say, how it has happened? He said, like, I've practiced so much that I do not know how I'm solving, but I'm solving. And that is what my word samaj is there. I want to take you to that level of understanding. When it is happening, you do not know how it is happening. I think you will go through various stages of preparation. In the initial stage, you'll feel like it is so easy. I have prepared so much, I can answer. I have read fundamental right, I can do fundamental right question. Why not? I can. I've read it. Ask me. But then when you start getting the question, you get a feeling, no, 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 I cannot do it. Then the third stage comes, that you know that what you are not aware of, what you do not know, you know that. That's the third stage. First stage, you think that you know everything. Second stage, you think that I do not know anything. Third stage, you would know that what I do not know. And fourth stage, you know it or you don't know it, but you're solving it. And that is the stage of samaj which I was talking about. That's the stage of your understanding which I'm trying to develop. It is possible through practice. Answer समझने लगेंगे आपके. I can promise you. Only thing is that समझ uh, develop करनी होती है. Understanding has to be developed. Information can be passed. I can pass also knowledge. ज्ञान भी दिया जा सकता है. But समझ विकसित करनी होती है. And I think I'm going to be there with you all these weeks. And then I'm going to help you develop your understanding of PT. And trust me, if you allocate few minutes every day on a very, very simple routes, I'll give you some small, small targets. And through that, we'll be able to achieve it.